In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in the Wells Fargo app, and we'll make it quick and easy. Whether you've just moved into a new home or are transitioning to a different location, ensuring your address is up to date with your bank is crucial for receiving important communications. So let's get started and guide you through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo app on your phone. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're securely logged in before making any changes to your personal details. Once you've signed in, keep an eye out for the menu icon. This usually looks like three horizontal lines and can be found either at the bottom or top corner of your screen. Tapping on this icon will open up a variety of options for you. Now, among these options, you'll find one labeled Profile and Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you'll manage most of your personal information with Wells Fargo. Once you're in the Profile and Settings section, look for Personal Information. Selecting this will take you to the area where you can view and update various aspects of your registered information. Next up, you'll need to decide if you want to update your mailing address or your billing address. These options might appear slightly differently depending on your account type, but the process is generally the same. Tap on the option that applies to your needs. After selecting the address type you want to change, choose the account that you intend to update. If you hold multiple accounts with Wells Fargo, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. With the account selected, you can now enter your new address. Be sure to double-check the details you input to ensure accuracy. Street numbers, apartment numbers, and zip codes should all be verified before proceeding. Once you've filled in your new address, you'll see an option to save or update address. Tapping this will confirm the changes you've made. Most updates should take effect immediately, but if they require additional processing time, you should be notified by the app. Finally, it's always a good habit to log out of your account once you've finished updating your information. This ensures the security of your personal data, and just like that, you've successfully updated your address with Wells Fargo. Keeping your information current helps you maintain seamless communication with the bank. Thanks for following along, and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have. Happy upgrading!